Thanks so much for joining me here today for our easy buttercream sunflower tutorial. To begin, you will need a medium consistency yellow buttercream fitted with a number 352 tip. You will also need a medium consistency brown buttercream fitted with a number 18 tip. Attach a square of parchment to a flower nail. Leaving half an inch from the center of the nail, we will begin piping our petals. To pipe our petals, you will apply pressure until you get to the center of the petal where it starts to get fatter. And then you will release the pressure while continuing to pull out, and that's going to give you a nice point on your petals. We're going to continue doing this until we get the complete first layer done. So we're going to apply pressure, pull out, release pressure, and continue pulling. Don't worry if they're not perfect, the second layer will cover that up. So for the second layer, we're going to do the same thing, apply pressure, pull back, release, and continue pulling. You'll see here that the second layer of petals is covering up any of the imperfections with the first layer of petals. Continue piping until you complete your second layer of petals. Now that we have our nice sunflower shape, we're going to complete it by doing the center. Using your brown buttercream, pipe small dots into the center of your sunflower until you are happy with the shape. And there you go. That completes our buttercream sunflower tutorial. I hope you all try it out soon. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments section below. And as always, if you found value in this tutorial, please consider liking and subscribing. I hope you will join me next week. Thanks for watching.